Hi friends, this video shows how to remove lens from Canon EOS R50 camera. So this is a Canon R50 camera. On this camera, here we can find the lens eject button. We have to press and hold this lens eject button. Press and hold. Then rotate this lens in anti-clockwise direction. See, so this way we can remove the lens. Okay, then release the lens eject button. If you want to attach this lens, first we have to find this camera mounting index on the body. Then on lens also we can find similar mark, red mark, camera mounting, lens mounting index. Then we have to align this mounting index like this. Okay, then rotate this lens in clockwise direction until we hear a tick sound. Okay, done. So this way we can easily remove lens from Canon R50 camera body and attach it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.